Hey my peoples, so today we will be getting into a new video of the BoxyCharm unboxing. Well, new box, new month, but not a new style of video on my channel. This is my January BoxyCharm, and also later in the video, if you stick along, I will be catching up on like life from what I haven't posted in the last 3 weeks. But, on to the box, here we go. So this month's box, the theme was a Rock 2018, because you know New Year's Pass is January. So it also came with this little card. It's just about something in the box. It's not really important. But here's the card, the theme card for this month. The first product that I saw when I opened the box is on this card as well, is a Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. And I really like this primer a lot. It has like a peach color to it. Yeah, like a light pink peach color to it. But it does give a luminous glow from within the skin. I do put on a lot of powder, so you can't really see a lot. But you can just see a glow like right in this section, and it's from the primer. This primer is amazing. It also says it's poreless, not poreless, but like it smooths out pores, which I can say is true. Like I do have some texture because I've been breaking out a little bit, but it does smooth texture really well and give you a nice glow. And I'm not one for glow too much all the time unless it's highlight, because I have very oily skin, but this is doing the job it's supposed to do, and I love it. So the next product from the box is the It Cosmetics Brow Power, and it's just this eyebrow pencil. And they said on the card that they worked for with plastic surgeons. They got like a whole bunch of products good for you in this pencil. But it says that it also universal. It transforms to just any hair color, and this is the shade taupe. Universal taupe. And the one thing I don't like about this pencil, I do like it a little bit, but it's just so thick. Like it's so thick, and that's just me drawing one line. Like it's just. Did I just get this on my new white hat? I did. But anyway, so it's just like you can't get a precise application with it. I do like the way that the color matches my brow hairs, which I think it would match for me because it's taupe. I usually use like a dark brown espresso or a black. So it works nice. It's just that it's so thick. And I feel like it works better with a powder product opposed to a pomade, because when you... That's it. It's a good product. It's just that it's just so thick. It's just such a thick pencil. Like, how am I supposed to get a precise line with that? I feel like it's more for people. It's more of a lighter color too. I feel like it's more for people who have brows already. I don't, but it's more for people who have brows already. It's not a bad product, but it's not my favorite, of course. But next in the thing in the box was the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette, and I have a few other brushes from Crown Brushes, and this is what the palette looks like. It's silver and like gold, and they have unicorns now. But I use this palette for like the last 3 makeup looks I did, and I used it today. I really love this palette, and I guess this box for this month was all about the glow. It even comes with a mirror, but I feel like this box was all about the glow. There's one matte shade in this whole palette. And so, there's 9 shades. This is more of a grayish silver. This is more of a bluish silver. But today on my eyes, I did a halo eye. On the outer part and the inner part, I used this burgundy orange color here called Wild Things. That's a horrible swatch, but there it is. And then for the middle, I used for the halo in the middle of my lower lash line, I used the shade The Rebel, which is this copper shade right here. And it's such a beautiful color. It pops so good. And I'll say they work dry, and they work well dry, and they work better with water, I say, because they are shimmers. But where can I wipe this? But they work well either way. They're really great shadows. I use the black in my crease, but I feel like it has more of a bluish green undertone. It's really weird. It's not like black. It's more like a gunmetal, I feel. And what else did I use in this palette? I think that's all I used so far. There's like 1 satin, 1 matte, and the rest of these are shimmers, I believe. I could be wrong on the satin matte part, but this one looks like a satin. That's a matte, definitely. But It's an amazing palette, and it's definitely going in like my top drawer because I've used this for like my last 4 or 5 makeup looks and have gotten so many compliments on my eye makeup. And it's such a good palette. It's such a good palette. If you can get it, buy it. But the next thing that came in this box was the Pure the Complexion Authority. So like I said, I think this box was mostly about the glow this month. But it came with this bronzer and highlighter palette. It says bronze and brighten on here. But it comes with these 3 highlighters. A brown one, a champagne looking one, and a pink one. Like a peachy pink. And I love these highlighters. I haven't tried the pink one too much right here. Ooh, it comes off more orange. But these are the swatches of them. There's that one. Beautiful. I need to use that. Here's a champagne one. And here's the brown one. If you can see that. These swatches are so bad. It's right there. But these are the 3 shades. And so, the pink one, I could be so wrong. The pink one is Blushing Glow, which makes some more sense. The middle one, the champagne one, sorry about the glare, is Afterglow. And the tan or brownie one is Mineral Glow. And I put this one on my brow bone, including my inner corner. It's so great as an inner corner highlight, especially if you wet it. And then I mix these 2 together for my cheek highlight, which I've been loving this combination lately. And you can make them more natural, I feel. But if you do want the glow, you can pile it up. It builds easily. But the last product that came in this box is the Girl Lactic Matte Lip Paint. And I haven't had any other products before, but this is my first one, and I love this lip color. It's in the shade Demure, and I have it on my lips now. I feel like they put the perfect amount of water in here because it just glides on so nice. Like, it's amazing, and it's quick drying too, and it's pigmented enough so you don't need a lip liner. It's a great lip product. And I've been really getting into lip products lately, but this has become one of my new staples. But give me 1 minute. I'm going to go wipe this off. I'll be back to tell you why I haven't filmed in the last 3 weeks. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm back. So I haven't been on in like 3 weeks, I know. And I know I said I was going to post a lot more, which I did have plans to. I had about 5 videos planned for this month. I filmed 2 of them. And as you might know if you watched some of my last videos, I got a GoPro for Christmas. So I filmed 2 of them on my GoPro. It was my December BoxyCharm unboxing since it had got shipped over this month. And then it was also my new buys and rebuys because I did a huge haul. So I did a huge haul. I bought so much stuff. And it's from brands I haven't tried before, like Sugar Peel, Jeffree Star. But what happened was, since filming on my GoPro, the sound was kind of weird in the background. It would only film in, like, you know, like not the fish eye, but it was like rounded on the sides, which wasn't really a problem because I could have zoomed in. But it caught up the sound from the heat in my room. On top of that, trying to transfer files was really hard because they took up so much space, and then they did not want to cooperate with the app I use to edit my videos. So that's what went wrong there. On top of that, I was at dance the week after I filmed those 2 videos, and also had the clothing haul to go up. But I could possibly still do that. I'm thinking about it. But I was at dance class, and my friend had fell on my head while I was on the ground, and I had my bottom teeth had cut all the way through my lip, as you can see. There's a little scar there. So I had to wait like 2 weeks for that to heal before I could do anything, to be honest. I couldn't even play my flute because I'm in flute lessons because I've been playing for 10 years now. So I couldn't even play my flute. It hurt to eat. I wanted to cry all the time because it took so long to eat. Now, currently, I'm starting point dance lessons. As you know, I'm a dancer. As you don't know, now you do. I'm a dancer. And I'm starting point lessons this Wednesday, and I'm so happy about it. And as well as this weekend coming up, Saturday, it'll be Rush for the fraternity. So I will be joining a fraternity, and I'm pretty happy about it. So that's why I haven't been filming like that. Well, I have. It's just that trying to get the videos to edit and transfer and save, it was so much work for my GoPro, and it was not happening. But like I said, I am trying to keep up on my posts, but just because of that little issue, I actually couldn't post. But I'll be back also because I got surprises coming up soon. I don't know how soon specifically, but maybe about a month at most. I'm thinking maybe 2 months. But stay tuned for that. I want you to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, if you like this look. If you like this look, subscribe to my channel. Follow my social media. I'll put some videos on one of these two sides. One side has my face, you can subscribe. The other side has some videos you can click on. I don't know, pick one. I don't know which side which is on. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Faced by Trevi, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.